Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about volume profile, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
I've been talking about volume profile from day one, and it is a principal part of our strategy and the way we do things. I would say for the last year or so, we haven't been focusing on it as a mechanism to get into a trade. I was having a hard time distinguishing whether or not there was a statistical advantage. But as I started looking at it in this low volatility market, it is clearly a statistical advantage. So we're bringing that back. Because it was so clear, I think I'll just keep going with it even when volatility starts rising. The main idea is that virtually every strategy you've probably ever engaged with involves some sort of technical analysis. And most technicals are lagging indicators, like any of the oscillators that you've seen or attached to charts, moving averages or all that way. And they are not leading indicators. In other words, they're not very predictive. It's like trying to drive by looking in the rearview mirror. However, volume profile is fundamentally different. It is, in fact, a leading indicator. It is telling you where orders are piling up or exist in real time and in the future. So from that point of view, it is an indispensable tool for seeing the market structure and where's the likely path or the behavior of price as it traverses across that market structure. So there are really two parts to volume profile. One is doing the analysis part so that you can unveil the market structure. And then the second part is an understanding of how price behaves across the various market structures. There's a number of fundamental features in a topography. There are areas of high liquidity and areas of low liquidity, and then there are the boundary areas. And price tends to behave very differently in one of those areas versus the other or on those boundary areas. And so that's part of the learning. In order to see those areas, you need to be effective at being able to mark it up and reveal the market structure. So I expect everybody to spend a lot of time with this. And you'll also see that in our tools that we're developing, the Dojo and the Profit Taker, both of them now have the volume profile superimposed right there behind your strategy. And so you can see directly exactly how price is behaving with your strategy in view. So it's a super powerful tool. In fact, as you follow the prescribed way that I was showing how to use it and use it in the morning and find a target area, virtually every day you could have made at least a small profit. There may have been one or two, maybe one instance where you could have made a much larger profit, where you could have gotten price inside of the profit tent. If you can do 5 out of 5 days and 1 day in the profit tent with this strategy, you will effectively become a 100 to 200% a year trader. I'm not saying that's going to happen. That's what happened last week in a really tough market. I've heard from some people saying that they missed the opportunities for any number of reasons. I miss opportunities all the time too, but it really is a wonderful technique.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.